I can already feel the hate of SEO agencies, but let's be honest here. If you're not a multi-million-dollar company, SEO is a huge waste of your time and money. Here's why. Getting free traffic from SEO sounds like the best deal in the world, especially when you did business online between 2005 and 2015. Those were the days when you could easily rank your website and get lots of traffic to it. Lots of free traffic meant a lot of revenue too, which is rarely bad. Within only a few months and sometimes even a few weeks, you could start a profitable business. However, that's the past, and today SEO isn't newbie friendly anymore. The days of quick free traffic are over for SEOs. On the one hand, we have Google discovering how profitable online ads can be. The top of 99% of all search results belongs to Google Ads. That means that unlike in those Wild West SEO days, you cannot occupy the first result with SEO. Depending on which study you want to believe, that makes 30 to 70% fewer opportunities for you to get the click for free. But that wouldn't be too bad, right? If non-paid results still get you 30 to 70% of all Google traffic, then that's still enough. That's true. The issue is, to get a share of those visits, your SEO game needs to be world class. Maybe you will get a few clicks for that Transylvanian blood cake recipe because only a few other websites are trying to get that traffic. If you want to get significant results, you will need a team of at least 2 to 3 people, and it will still take you 6 to 12 months to get those results. If you are a small or new company, you cannot afford such a dedicated team. Your return on investment will just be really low. But couldn't an SEO agency help? Certainly. It will still cost you and you will not get that traffic fast. Expect $2,000 to $3,000 per month for a good agency that actually invests time into your company. A good consultant can handle 4 to 6 customers at the same time and still get results. If you only pay $500 a month, do you think you will get premium treatment? Even if you pay your agency enough, significant results cannot happen overnight. Your domain needs to attract the right SEO signals first, and that takes time. So let's ask ourselves the question, what other things could we do with a marketing budget of $12,000 to $24,000 in 6 to 12 months? We could pay for instant traffic and instant validation on the one hand. We could hire several interns to produce TikToks for us. We could buy nice video equipment and start a YouTube channel. We could hand out free muffins every day. We could do a lot of things. All these things would generate traffic to our website much faster than SEO could. And don't even get me started on competing for commercially extremely valuable keywords. Good luck trying to compete with Amazon for the next 10 years. So here's my advice. Get the basics of SEO like meta text optimization and keyword research right, and then completely forget about SEO for your first 1 or 2 years. Concentrate on other avenues for generating traffic and do not listen to SEO agencies that still sing the song of free traffic. SEO traffic was never free since you had to pay a team or an agency. It's also not like you can rest on your laurels once you achieve that #1 spot for your money keywords. SEO is a continuous investment that you cannot stop despite what those agencies tell you. That is why SEO is a huge waste of your time and money, and you need to watch this video right here to find better ways to get traffic. See you in the next video, and until then, continue to be awesome. See ya!